So, welcome back to a new video after a long time. I was really sick, like a whole week or something, and then I had stuff to do because I got 18 and shit like that. So, I'm back now, and I will just go over the things I'm seeing in the market because there's a difference between knowing a strategy and actually seeing it in the market. And I think using a strategy is obviously good for mental, but if you really want to make money in the market, you should know your building blocks and use it in the market like adaptively. Bro, I don't know if that's a word, but you have to adapt to the market and kind of see which market condition it is and see which market condition you don't like to trade and see which market condition you like to trade. So I'm gonna just go over some examples that I didn't took and some that I would take.
Before we get into the video though, I want to quickly introduce my partner, my Flash Funding. I'm not just saying this because they're my partner. I really like this prop firm and I think it will be one of the biggest in the future. They have such a small profit target by just 6%, which is easily obtained by just two 1 to 3 risk reward trades. And if you want to get yourself an account, this is my code. Link is in the description and let's go into the video.
I took like 4 trades today, which is kind of a lot. Like a lot of people would say it's insane, way too much. But if I see the market condition is matching, I will take it. And as it happened, I have 4 winning trades today. It's just that you have to adapt. Sometimes there's just not a trade. Here, I didn't took this one because I see the market condition was bad here, and I took this one because this is still going, by the way, but I still think it will go up until all the way here to the weekly open. But that's not the point right now. I just see the market conditions here as well. I took this one and kind of adapt to it and see here we have volume area. We react off that volume area, impulsive move to another volume area, going down into Fibonacci, into order block, everything is matching. We have the consolidations right here, we have the consolidations here, we have the consolidations here. We just see that we have a lot of volume in that area. And now it's actually matching with everything that we want to take here. So the old stuff that happened here is matching with this now. So this is a really good trade for me, and I think this one was really good because it also took sell side liquidity here, went into this order block, went into the Fibonacci golden zone, was the impulsive move from the volume area going down, reacting to this volume area, and I just kind of wanted to go for this volume area now with the TP. I could have aimed higher, but I just wasn't sure if it will go all the way back up there. I just wanted to make sure that it will go here, and maybe I thought that it could maybe take this liquidity, react to an order block here, and then we will go down. So I didn't want to take it like this. I just wanted to aim for the first volume area, and since the volume area is not a straight line, it's just a whole area, and this is just the peak, I aimed lower than this, made it a 1-to-1 risk reward, which is fine. I don't want to take anything lower than that, but yeah, that's kind of it. I can show you why I would take this trade. I mean, this looks like a re-entering, but it's not, simply not, because normally in the market, there's like a theory, I don't know which is called. We have impulsive move retracement, impulsive move retracement, impulsive move retracement. This is A, B, C, D, E, and then it normally turns, like just from experience and stats, but it obviously can continue. But we can see here, first impulsive move, this doesn't really count because this is just the consolidation right here, but I would call this the first impulsive move retracement. Impulsive move that I actually took because I saw it happening. It was impulsively going away from this volume area, and now we actually have the retracement going into Fibonacci matching with this volume area, and maybe have the last impulsive move that will go here, and then I'm out, and it will probably retrace and maybe continue to go down. But I'm not taking this. I'm just wanna kind of predict where it will go. Maybe I will make it even like more down because if you look at this, the first impulsive move went by 30 pips, 13, yeah, 13. Then we go here, 12 pips again. So it's probably gonna go from here, where I'm entering here, 12 or 13 pips again. So somewhere here, and it's matching with an order block here. So everything is structured in a way and makes sense. And yeah, you need to find confirmations that you like in the market. If you like fair value gaps and you see it happening all the time, then use it and combine it with something. You just have to find as many confirmations as possible, but you should focus on some confirmations that you or that worked out for you in backtesting. I just backtested so often without having like one strategy. I just looked at the market and saw, okay, this is happening, so this could happen now, and stuff like that. And you just have to do that all the time, backtest so much that you just get the feeling for the market. I'm always telling you that. And at some point, wait, you can even see that we matched the volume area here together with with this one, so it makes it way better area. And also, this is currently going into the area where I want to buy, so I'm probably buying this now. It's also taking the sell side liquidity all the time. It's all the time the same, and yeah, I'm entering this. So I will end the video now. This one wasn't really like an insane video or something because I just wanted to make a video after all the time and keep the algorithm now back again after all these things that I had to do. And I wanted to kind of make weekly uploads, but I don't know what to upload because if I make weekly uploads, I want to upload something that is insane, and I only had like 2 ideas, so I'm just going back to daily uploads with like some tips, some recaps, and just help you. And yeah, that's it. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.